Hello everyone, my name is Vincenzius De Paulo Mustamal, student ID Q4055311020, course Basic Fisik Praktik, Whetstone Bridge. General Introduction. Inventor Sir Charles Whetstone, actually invented by Samuel Hunter Christie. TV, an electrical circuit used to measure resistances with high accuracy. Basic fractal uses an balance between two pairs of bridges. Example of balancing. Number 1, a bridge is said to be balanced if the galvanometer shows zero current. Number 2, condition for balance R1 divided R2 equal to R3 divided R4. In a balance condition, the voltage at both ends of the galvanometer is the same, zero potential difference. Whetstone bridge equation. R3 equals R1 divided by R2 L multiplied by R4. Rx equal Rc multiplied by L1 divided by L2. Deviation in percent equals Rx divided by R actual L multiplied by 100%. R equal rho multiplied by divided by A. R equals rho multiplied by I divided by PR squared. R equal rho multiplied by 4 divided by PD squared. Tools and material. Measurement and power equipment. One resistor board Core 06108-00. On slide wire measurement bridge Core 07182-00. One connection box Core 06030-23. One PEGVE power supply DC 5 volts, 1 amp plus or minus 50 volts, 2 amps. Core 13502. Thus 93. One digital multimeter. Hmm, 2005 Core 07129 dash 00. One cable 52 amps 500 multimeters red code 07361 dash 01. 2 cables 52 ohms 1000 millimeters red code 07363 dash 01. 1 shovel 32 ohms 500 multimeters yellow code 07361 dash 02. 2 cables 52 1000 millimeters yellow code 07363 dash 02. 1 shovel 32 ohms 500 millimeters blue cable 32 ohms 500 millimeters blue code 07361 dash 04. Cable 32 ohms 1000 millimeters blue code 07363 dash 0-4. Resistor 1 resistor 1 ohm 2% tolerance 2 watts G1 classification code 06055-010. 1 resistor 2 ohms 2% toleransi 2 watts G1 classification code 06055-20. 1 resistor 5 ohms 2% toleransi 2 watts G1 classification code 06055-50. 1 resistor 10 ohms 1 watt G1 classification code 39104-01. 1 resistor 47 ohms 1 watt G1 classification code 39104-62. 1 resistor 100 ohms 1 watt G1 classification code 39104-63. 1 resistor 150 ohms 1 watt G1 classification code 39104-1 0. 1 resistor 220 ohms 1 watt G1 classification code 39104-64. One resistor 330 ohms, 1 watt, G1 classification code 39104 dash 30. One resistor 680 ohms, 1 watt, G1 classification code 39104-17. Experiment 1. Place the unknown resistor referred to as Rx which is functioning as R1 in this setup, and the known combination resistor referred to as Rc with the value of 330 ohms, which is function as R2 into the terminal block. Connect both resistors to the power supply output using short red and blue cables. Ensuring the power supply is set to 50 volts and 0.2 amps. Put the same cables to connect them to the slide wire briefly, also known as a potentiometer. Experiment 2. Assemble the circuit in the same manner as in experiment 1. However, make the following changes. Replace the RC resistor with a resistor that has an approximate value of 10 ohms, and replace the Rx resistor with June 44 wire, specifically wire number 1. Once the circuit is properly connected and you are sure of its integrity, turn on the power supply. Due to the very small resistance of the wire, it is important to start with a low voltage. Monitor the indicator light on the power supply. If it dims, it indicates a drop in voltage, and you should lower the output voltage even further to prevent dimming. Move the cylinder until the circuit is balanced. When the emitter reaches 0, record the cylinder position and point 11 and 12. Experiment table 1. Experiment table 2. Graphic table 1. Graphic table 2. Summary. During the Wattstone Grid Lab, several resistor configurations were tested to observe how circuit change affected the equilibrium conditions. For as correction, the position of the the slider on the bridge wire was gradually adjusted until the measure indicate no surrender. At this point, the values of length L1 and L2 were recorded and the basis for calculating the unknown resistance by comparing the two lengths. The observation demonstrated that the Wheatstone bridge is a highly effective and sensitive method for measuring resistances, especially for small railway. The accuracy of the result depends heavily on the accuracy in finding the equilibrium point and the stability of the voltage or aspect This circuit is